Welcome to my garden. In today's video, I'm going to tell you what we need to do to grow our yams from seedlings. We have a seedling that's got roots and it's got shoots coming up. Remember to subscribe to my channel while we go into the points that we need when growing our yams in their different pots. The important thing is that this yam seedling has got very strong taproots and it's ready to go. It's also got shoots, so this is a very good result. You may grow your yam all year long as you eat your yam weekly, but the very best time to start your yam will be when you see yams start sprouting by themselves. This is the best time to cut up your yam in March, April, and then you start planting them. Please ensure that they have very good fertile soil, and please ensure that they grow downwards. That's why you need to place them on the soil, not dig them into the soil. The yam can be placed and it grows downwards into soil. It's best to grow your yam in loamy humus soil because they are heavy feeders. You'd need to ensure watering and fertilizing as well. The yam is native to tropical regions where the temperature is constantly between 24 and 28 degrees Celsius for long periods of time. So it's best grown in these regions. Now we should be ready with our stakes for support. Try to get the stakes ready so that we put it in on the same day, and then you know where you put your yam seedlings and where you want to stick the support into the soil. You don't want to come a month later and start staking the yam that's been growing. You wouldn't know where the roots have gone, and most importantly, you wouldn't know where the yam tuber itself is that's starting to grow. So that's why we need to get this done today. Also, make sure you have good humus soil, which you can get readily from your backyard, and amend it, create it with cardboard, grass clippings, and the earthworms as well, and leaves. You need good humus soil, loamy humus soil, for yam to grow very well. Now when we look at this container, it has to be deep. This one may be too shallow. This is above a foot tall, and that is why we talk about growing them in bags, because usually you get these cement bags, and these bags, they're actually about 2 feet in height, because the yam's roots need space for the yam to grow properly. You can't grow it in just any bag that may be very short. It has to have the room to grow down into the soil. You may use bamboos, sticks, different for your support. you will have to really put it deep into the soil. Now, it's easy to stake in trees so that you don't stake against your fence. They will be able to support each other if you stake in trees. And what I mean by this is, when I fill this with soil and I put another yam in here, I put a stake in. I let them cross each other. And I'll have another one on the side as well. And then you can tie the three together. They will be able to support each other. And it makes them stronger than just one stake on its own if you find that it's falling down. What is more important is that you don't allow these stakes, the support, to rest against your fence. So that's not going to be very good. Make the fence to be weak. I mean, people who grow plants that are climbers know that already. When the plants, bougainvillea and so on, gets heavy, it literally just makes your fence to fall down. So the next thing is make a route for the water to escape, so that the water is not just all over the place. The water has to have a route where it goes through. It may go into your vegetable garden, it may go into another side of your flower garden. Make a route. Just plan where you want the water to go so it doesn't run down your fence as well. So staking it on the day you plant it and making a route for the water that is escaping, those are two important things we need to consider on the day we put our seedlings in the soil when we are growing yams. Because you're going to have to be wetting it once or twice a week. That's a lot of water coming out. You don't want your fences to be at risk. I wish you good luck and good success in growing your yams. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have subscribed to my channel. Press the subscribe button and see you again. This is Princess Lillian's Gardens. Bye.